Today, we're going to drive through Aspen Campground. Let's get started. As I was driving through the Soldier Creek area, I came across a campsite called Aspen Grove. It's a really beautiful campsite, probably the best in the area. So I decided to do a drive through and check it out. There's two loops, Loop A and Loop B. We're going to start with Loop A. I wanted to do more tours with the camp host, but they wouldn't allow it. Maybe I'll be able to do it next year. There's some roads off to the side that I haven't had the chance to explore, but they look kind of fun. So we're going to go straight here to Loop A. See how beautiful this is? There's lots of trees, so you're going to always have shade throughout the day. And the campsites don't feel so close together, which I love. You can quickly get to Strawberry or Soldier Creek from here. And all the facilities seem like they're in really good condition to me. They're well maintained and they're not falling apart. And now we're heading on to Loop B. And this loop is even a little bit closer to the lake if you were going to walk down. So that's something to take into account. Seems like it's a little more open, there's a little bit less shade. So if you like the shade and you like the woods, do Loop A. And if you like a little bit more sun, a little bit more open, a little bit closer to the lake, you can do Loop B. Loop B is way more open than Loop A, so be aware of that when you're picking campsites. And it looks like towards the lake you have a little bit more covering from the aspens, which are beautiful trees, and they turn yellow in the fall. And that's it. So let me know if there's any other campsites you want to see, and we'll look at them in the spring. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and please share this with others.